Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. In this quick video, I'll share with you how AI can be used for open source intelligence, or OSINT, and just how much publicly available information can be uncovered even when someone is cautious about what they share online. Before we dive in, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is meant for cybersecurity enthusiasts and is purely for educational and awareness purposes. OSINT is a legitimate method for gathering publicly available data, but any misuse of the information obtained is not encouraged or supported. Let's start with an example. Imagine you're a fashion photographer, Jeff, who has a crush on an aspiring model named Beck. You suspect she might be dating her old friend Ben and decide to check his social media for any affectionate comments she might have left. However, you quickly realize that going through thousands of posts manually would be overwhelming and impractical. So, what's the smarter way to go about this? Rather than manually checking every post, a more efficient method would be using data scraping. This technique involves using automated tools, or bots, to scan and extract relevant information from a website. By scraping Ben's profile, you could gather all posts and filter out only those where Beck has interacted. This structured data can then be analyzed using AI, such as ChatGPT, to answer specific questions or even generate insights like personality and behavioral patterns. For those interested in learning more, I've created a detailed PDF guide covering step-by-step instructions on how to use data scraping tools effectively. It's available for just $5. Another powerful way AI can enhance OSINT investigations is by generating customized Google Dorks. These are specialized search queries that help locate hidden online data, such as PDF files or legal records linked to a target's name. While there are databases like the Google Hacking Database with pre-made search queries, AI tools like ChatGPT can refine these searches by tailoring them to specific needs or suggesting overlooked keywords. If you've gathered multiple social media profiles of a person, ChatGPT can also cross-reference information between them for more accurate insights. Though this requires some effort, the improved precision makes it a valuable technique. AI can also be used to craft persuasive messages or social engineering scripts based on someone's online activity. While this is more aligned with hacking techniques than OSINT, it's essential to be aware of how AI can be misused for manipulation, so individuals and organizations can better protect themselves. Now imagine trying to find someone online with only an old photograph of them from years ago. Standard reverse image search tools might struggle with such changes, but AI-powered tools like Lensa AI offer advanced facial recognition that can identify people even as they age. Beyond tracking individuals, Lensa AI also helps categorize search results, making investigations more streamlined. Additionally, its ability to detect whether an image has been cropped or altered is useful for identifying edited or stolen content circulating online. With AI-driven OSINT, there are countless ways to gather and analyze publicly available information more efficiently. However, ethical considerations and responsible use are crucial. Open source intelligence, or OSINT, is the practice of collecting information from publicly available sources. This means that the data is accessible to anyone who knows where to look and how to extract it. OSINT is not just about gathering random pieces of information. It involves a systematic approach to collecting, analyzing, and using data to make informed decisions. These sources include social media, websites, forums, and online databases. Each of these platforms can provide a wealth of information if you know how to navigate them effectively. For instance, social media can reveal personal details, connections, and even real-time activities, while forums and websites can offer insights into public opinions and trends. OSINT is a valuable skill in many fields, including cybersecurity. Cybersecurity professionals use OSINT to identify potential threats and vulnerabilities in their systems. By analyzing publicly available data, they can anticipate and mitigate risks before they become serious issues. In ethical hacking, OSINT plays a crucial role. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, use OSINT to gather information about their targets. This information helps them understand the target's weaknesses and devise strategies to exploit them in a controlled and legal manner. It helps security professionals identify vulnerabilities and gather information about potential targets. This process involves sifting through vast amounts of data to find relevant information that can be used to strengthen security measures. This information can then be used to improve security posture and prevent attacks. By staying informed about the latest threats and vulnerabilities, organizations can proactively protect their assets and maintain a robust security framework. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, use their skills to find and fix security flaws. They operate with permission and within legal boundaries, unlike malicious actors who seek to exploit vulnerabilities for personal gain. They operate with permission and within legal boundaries, unlike malicious actors. Ethical hackers are often employed by organizations to test their security systems and ensure that they are resilient against potential attacks. OSINT provides them with the necessary insights to conduct their operations ethically and effectively. By leveraging publicly available information, ethical hackers can perform their tasks with precision and contribute to a safer digital environment for everyone. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the way we conduct OSINT investigations. AI tools excel at analyzing vast amounts of data, a task that would be incredibly time-consuming for humans. This allows investigators to uncover hidden connections and patterns much faster. Imagine manually searching through millions of social media posts to find a specific piece of information. This is where AI shines. AI-powered tools can automate this process, saving time and resources. AI algorithms can also learn and adapt over time. This means that they can become more accurate at identifying relevant information as they are exposed to more data. Before diving into AI-powered OSINT, it's crucial to grasp some fundamental techniques. These form the bedrock of any OSINT investigation, whether manual or AI-assisted. One such technique is Google Dorking. Google Dorking involves using advanced search operators to refine your queries and uncover hidden information within search results. Another fundamental technique is metadata analysis. Metadata refers to the hidden information embedded within files, such as images and documents. This data can reveal valuable insights, including the date of creation, author details, and even the location where a photo was taken. A plethora of AI-powered tools are available to enhance OSINT investigations. These tools are designed to streamline the process of gathering and analyzing open-source intelligence, making it more efficient and effective. By leveraging artificial intelligence, these tools can process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, providing valuable insights that would be difficult to obtain manually. These tools range from open-source platforms to commercial offerings, each catering to specific needs. Open-source tools are often favored for their flexibility and cost-effectiveness, while commercial tools may offer more advanced features and dedicated support. Regardless of the type, the goal is to provide investigators with the best possible resources to conduct thorough and accurate investigations. One such tool is Maltego. Maltego is renowned for its ability to map and visualize complex relationships between different pieces of data. This makes it an invaluable resource for investigators looking to uncover hidden connections and patterns. Maltego is a powerful OSINT tool that excels at visualizing relationships between different pieces of data. It can create detailed visual maps that help investigators see the bigger picture and identify key connections that might otherwise go unnoticed. It can automatically discover connections that would be difficult or impossible to find manually. This automation not only saves time, but also increases the accuracy of the findings, making Maltego a trusted tool in the OSINT community. Another notable tool is Recon-Eng. Recon-Eng is a web reconnaissance framework that leverages AI to automate the process of gathering information about websites and organizations. This tool is particularly useful for cybersecurity professionals and investigators who need to collect and analyze data from the web. Recon-Eng is a web reconnaissance framework that leverages AI to automate the process of gathering information about websites and organizations. It simplifies the task of collecting data, allowing users to focus on analysis and decision-making. It can perform tasks such as DNS enumeration, subdomain scanning, and identifying email addresses associated with a target domain. These capabilities make Recon-Eng a versatile tool for a wide range of investigative purposes, and identifying email addresses associated with a target domain. By automating these processes, Recon-ing helps investigators save time and improve the accuracy of their findings, making it an essential tool in the field of OSINT. Setting up your AI-driven OSINT Toolkit. Setting up your AI-driven OSINT Toolkit doesn't have to be a daunting task. Many user-friendly tools and platforms are designed with beginners in mind. A popular choice for its ease of use and versatility is Spiderfoot. Spiderfoot is an open-source intelligence automation tool. It integrates with various data sources and uses AI to uncover relationships and insights. To get started, download and install Spiderfoot on your system. Next, familiarize yourself with its interface and features. You can find comprehensive documentation and tutorials on the Spiderfoot website. Section 6. A practical demonstration using AI for OSINT analysis. Let's illustrate the power of AI in OSINT with a practical example. Open source intelligence, or OSINT, is all about gathering information from publicly available sources. When combined with AI, the process becomes significantly more efficient and insightful. Imagine you're tasked with investigating a potential phishing campaign. Phishing emails are a common threat, and identifying their source can be crucial in preventing further attacks. You have a suspicious email address as your starting point. This email could be part of a larger network of malicious activities. Using an AI-powered OSINT tool like Spiderfoot, you can input the email address and initiate a scan. Spiderfoot is designed to automate the collection of intelligence from various sources, making it a powerful ally in your investigation. The tool will automatically query its database and publicly available sources to gather information related to that email address. This includes everything from domain registrations to social media activity. The tool might uncover associated social media profiles, websites, or even dark web mentions. These findings can provide critical insights into the network behind the phishing attempt. It can also analyze the email content for suspicious keywords, links, or attachments, flagging potential threats. By leveraging AI, the tool can identify patterns and anomalies that might be missed by manual analysis, enhancing your ability to respond to threats swiftly and effectively. Section 7. The ethical compass of AI-driven OSINT. While AI greatly enhances OSINT capabilities, it's crucial to wield this power responsibly and ethically. Remember that the information you gather can have real-world consequences. Always obtain proper authorization before conducting any OSINT investigation. Respect the privacy of individuals and avoid accessing or distributing sensitive information without proper consent. Use your skills for good and adhere to legal and ethical guidelines. Remember, the goal of ethical hacking is to improve security, not to cause harm. Section 8. Navigating the future of OSINT and AI. The convergence of OSINT and AI is still in its early stages, and the future holds immense potential. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more sophisticated tools and techniques to emerge. These advancements will further automate data collection and analysis, enabling investigators to uncover deeper insights and connections. However, with these advancements come ethical considerations. It's crucial to establish clear guidelines and regulations for the responsible development and deployment of AI-powered OSINT tools. This will help mitigate potential risks and ensure that these powerful technologies are used for good. Conclusion. Embracing the power of AI and OSINT AI is transforming the landscape of OSINT, offering unprecedented capabilities for gathering and analyzing information. By harnessing the power of AI, security professionals and ethical hackers can enhance their investigations, uncover hidden threats, and bolster cybersecurity posture. As you embark on your OSINT journey, remember to prioritize ethical considerations and use your newfound knowledge responsibly. The future of OSINT is bright, and by embracing the power of AI, we can create a safer and more secure digital world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on OSINT and cybersecurity. Stay safe and see you in the next one.